Experience South Florida at its finest in this impressive two-story home that includes 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open loft area, as well as a 3-car garage. You will know as soon as you arrive that this well-maintained home will impress you. The open and spacious living room with its wood-burning fireplace and hardwood floors is warm and inviting. Indulge in casual elegance in this 2-story family room that opens to the pool and patio area. Chefs will delight in this well-planned gourmet kitchen that features gas cooking, double ovens, a wine refrigerator, as well as a walk-in pantry. Form and function blend perfectly with its wonderful design and use of space. The eat-in breakfast room offers outstanding views of the sparkling pool and patio, as well as the lush landscaping this private home site offers. Make lasting memories yours in this formal dining room. The master bedroom suite is a sheer delight. A gorgeous master bath includes custom cabinetry with slab marble countertops, marble floors, and a relaxing whirlpool tub. His and her walk-in closets are designed with custom built-ins. Additionally, on the first floor, another bedroom suite and bath is tucked away for privacy. As you ascend to the second floor, you are welcomed into an open and airy loft that offers many furnishing options. From this loft, step out onto the balcony that overlooks the lush landscaping of this private backyard oasis. Two bedrooms and an oversized full bath complete this lovely floor plan. Perfect for entertaining, this huge paver patio surrounds the custom-designed heated pool and spa. A tropical paradise is created with the extensive landscaping, offering you the utmost of privacy. The outdoor summer kitchen and bar area is the perfect place for your family's next barbecue or watching the big game. Rarely offered, this home and its half-acre lot is truly a special opportunity. Make this beautiful home yours at 11099 Canary Island Court in prestigious Hawks Landing.